Ano po kaya ito? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. So, this is now the moment of truth. The first one is this. What do you think it is? Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, as you can see, I have a big box here. So I'm going to do unboxing. What is it? Please watch this video until the end. Actually guys, this is not mine, but this is my present to my daughter. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to unbox it before giving it to her. So let's now open this. As you can see, this is fully wrapped with bubble wrap and it's so hard to open it, but I want to do it nicely so that just in case there's a problem with it, I can easily wrap it back and send it to the seller. Actually, I ordered this from Shopee and they're fast actually. I ordered this last May 15 during their sale. So, this is now the moment of truth. Ano po kaya ito? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. The first one is this. What do you think it is? Well, I'll just put it here and I'll put this away from me because I might destroy or cut anything from this package. Another thing is this. It looks like a hand dress, so maybe you already have a guess what it is. Another hand dress. So I'll just put it here. And these are the tools. I'll just put it here. Another is these are head and backrest. These are pillows actually. So maybe you already have to guess what it is. So it's a chair, and by its color alone, you can already guess that it's a gaming chair. Yes, indeed, it is a gaming chair that I ordered for my daughter, Liang. And here's now the chair. I want to open this so that we will see if there are any damage. We need to check for any damages. Here it is. So far, there is no damage. So we will bring out the backrest. Let's check if there are any damages. So here it is. And so far, there is no damage so far, but we're going to assemble it, and maybe I'll be making another video on how to assemble a gaming chair. And for now, let me just tell you how much we bought this. All in all, it is free shipping, and the price of this gaming chair is it was bought during the May 15th sale of Shopee. It is not a paid video, but I'm just saying that it is from Shopee. So those who are interested to buy later on, well, you can just check their store in Shopee. So kudos to the seller. It is nice so far. We haven't seen any defect. I just don't know if this is complete, but we will get to see it later if the parts are complete during our video on how to assemble this gaming chair. So this is it for now, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated on my new one. And like this video and share. Thank you so much. Bye for now.